everyone and welcome to the online class of OpenOffice Writer. Today we are going to learn about the tables. So we will learn that how we can insert the table in the OpenOffice Writer and how we can apply different formatting styles, how we can insert different rows and columns inside the table. So let us begin. So you can see that I have opened the OpenOffice Writer. Now on the standard toolbar, you'll get the option of inserting the table. So first of all, I'll show you the first way to insert the table, which is in the standard toolbar. You'll get the icon which is table. You can see here the shortcut key is Ctrl plus F12. Just click on this and you need to select the number of rows and columns if you want, and then you have to leave it. So you can see that the table is inserted here in the OpenOffice Writer document. Now to write anything on the table, you just need to bring your cursor there and you can write anything. Alright. So this is how you can write the anything on the table. Now the second way to insert the table is, I'll take the cursor downwards now so that I can show you that how you can insert the table with the second process. Second process is that you have to go to the table menu and then click on insert and then table command. Here you have to put the number of rows and columns which you want in your table. Suppose I'm writing here 4 columns and 3 rows. I'll press OK. So 3 rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. So 4 columns and 3 rows are inserted. Now to write anything here, it is the same process. You have to write anything. If you want to move to the next cell, you have to press the tab button in your keyboard. Now if you want to suppose move to the left side of the cell, you need to press shift tab. Suppose I want to come to this class column and I don't want to take the help of mouse, so I'll do shift tab, so it will come here. Again I can do shift tab, I'll come to the first column. So this is how you can insert the tables with the help of standard toolbar and with the help of table menu. Now moving forward, suppose let me write some data here. Suppose I am writing here Rahul, class 9, section A, roll number 1. Now suppose again I am writing Ram, class 9, section B, roll number 1. Alright, so these two data I have inserted, but now suddenly I realize that I should insert the address of the students also. So for inserting the address, I need to insert a column. So instead of deleting the whole table and retyping it again, you just need to put your cursor there on that cell where you want to insert the column. Suppose I want to insert the column after this name column. So I'll put my cursor on the class column, go to the table menu again and then click on insert and then columns. So it will ask you that you want to insert the column before the selected area or after. What will be the position? Suppose if I want it the address column should be before class, so I'll click before option. If I want it after class, I'll select after. I'm selecting before, and you can also insert the number of columns you want to be inserted. I'm inserting 1 only. You can insert 2, 3 as per your requirement. So I have done OK, and you can see that a blank column has been inserted here. Now easily I can put the address here. Now you can see that the column which we are inserting, it is the name which we are writing, the text which we are writing, it is going to the next line. So you can adjust it by you can just hover your mouse here on the center of the cell and you will get a plus icon where you can adjust the table column by dragging it with the left mouse click. Okay, so you can do this. As my font size is so big, so that is why it is not adjusting here. Alright, so you can see that I have now decreased the font size, so it is easily adjusted. However, if you want to adjust it, you can just hover your mouse here, there will be a plus symbol and you can drag and stretch also. Drag to enlarge and you can stretch as well. So this is how you can insert a new column here. If you want to insert a new row, suppose after Rahul there should be one more name and I have forgotten to insert and my whole table is ready. So what I'll do, I'll just put my cursor here on Ram because I have to insert a row after Rahul. So I'll click on here, I'll go to the table menu again, insert rows. It will ask you that before or after. I'll click on before. I have clicked OK. So I have entered. If you want to get it inserted after Ram, you can do that as well. Go to the table command, insert row and after. Okay, so you can see that this is how it works. Now suppose that if I have want to give a heading to the table, and I want that the heading should be here in this 4 columns should be merged. So what I'll do, let's insert one blank row here first of all, and then I'll show you that how we can do the merging and splitting of cells. Now suppose I have written here, clicked on rows, and I am doing it before. So I got one row. Now suppose I am writing here students information of class 9. So these texts are written in 2 columns differently, but I want it should be shown in the center and the text should be written in all together. It should look like that all the cells are merged. So what I'll do, I have to select this whole row, go to the table menu again and select on merge cell option. So you can see that it is merged now. You can put on the center, and then this can also be moved to center. Alright, so this is how you can merge the cell. If you want to split it again, that it should be like before, so you just need to click here, select this, go to the table menu again and click on split cells, click vertically, and as there were 5 columns I believe, so I'll select here 5 and it will be done as it is. Alright, so you can just adjust the width which is here. You can adjust the width, it will be done easily. Now this is how you can just split and merge the cell. Now let us do some auto formatting of the table. Now as we know that we can format the cells, we can color the font, or we can change the font style from here. If you want, you can apply any font style. If you want, you can color the text. If you want, you can give the background from here. Alright, so this can be done. However, I want that there should be some proper formatting given to the table. So what I'll do, you just need to select your table, go to the table menu again, click on auto format. There are many by default formats already given in OpenOffice Writer. You can select any one of them, choose one of them, whichever you like, and you just press OK. It will be done with your table. So once your table is created, it is all the data has been inserted. You just need to click on auto format from the table menu and the format of the table will be changed. So this is how, students, we can work with the table. You can insert the table from standard toolbar from the table menu. You can insert different rows and columns from insert command of table menu. You can, if you want to delete also to the particular column, you just need to select that column and then go to the table menu and delete and click on columns, so it will be deleted. If you want to delete a particular row which is inserted, for example, I want to delete this Rahul row, so you have to go to the table command again and delete and then rows. So you can see that it is deleted. So this is how you can work with the insert and delete command with the table menu, and you can auto format your table. If you want to move from one cell to another, you just need to press tab button. If you want to go backward, you have to click on shift tab. You can merge the cell like this. You can split the cell also. So this is how the table works in OpenOffice Writer. However, we will be learning about the tables, and we will create a table in OpenOffice Calc also, which is equivalent to MS Excel. Now this chapter is finished. So I hope you have understood all the topics related to OpenOffice Writer 2nd. If you will be having any problem, get back to me. Practice these topics at home.
Then stay safe and happy. Thank you so much.